Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to create a heat map in Excel. So underneath this YouTube video, you will get the Facebook link and practice file so that you can practice and get connected with the Facebook. Here I have imaginary data. Note that this is not real data, this is just manipulated. And if you want to work with the real data, please download it from Google and then you can create accordingly. So here I will show you how to create heat map. For this, first of all, I have to select all the data. Remember, I cannot select any name or header here, just only the numbers. After selecting this, I have to click on conditional formatting on the top. You can see on the home button, conditional formatting here. Click on it. You can see color scales, and then you can hover over on the color and then you can adjust according to your needs. So I will, if I hover over on the first one, green, yellow, red color scale, then I can see that the coldest is representing red color. So I will not select this, I will select the next one. Then I can see the coldest time is representing the green color and the warmest is red color. Click on it, then I can see still numbers are there, but on the background you can see it is looking beautiful, colorful with green, yellow and red, or red, amber, green. Now I have to remove the numbers. If I delete it, click on it and delete it, it will not be working properly. So what I have to do is I have to click the data set again, and then right button, format cells. You can see, click on it, then one window popped up, then click on custom here, and here you can see general. Select this and delete. Simply you have to type semicolon 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then click OK. Now you see number is disappeared. So this is how you can see which month is hottest and which month is warmest and which month is coldest, and based on that you can make your plan for traveling in your expected countries. If I want to get the numbers, then I have to again select it and then go on the home option on the top, and then here I have to click on the numbers. Then I can see all the numbers are here as well as the background. So this is how you can create a heat map. Thanks everyone.